To properly remove old bushings from your track, you will need a few essential tools. Start by jacking up the track and securing it safely on jack stands. Next, use a C-clamp to press out the old bushing from the control arms. Make sure to wear safety goggles and goggles to protect yourself from any debris. Once the old bushings are removed, clean the mounting. Clean the mounting surfaces thoroughly before installing the new bushings. This will ensure a proper fit and proper function of your new truck's suspension system. Yeah, I hope this advice helps you. Stay tuned for the other episode. See you on the next video. Thank you. Peace.